Hi and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set new out of office reply in Outlook. Alright, remember how to set new out of office reply in Outlook. The first thing you want to do is ensure you're properly signed in to your Microsoft Outlook account, and you can achieve that by heading to your Google Chrome browser, simply typing in Microsoft Outlook, and then you will navigate to a page like this where you get to input your email address, phone numbers, and then just go through all of the verification processes just to get yourself properly signed in. If you do not already have an account with Microsoft Outlook, head over to create an account, click on that, and then just go through the process of creating an account. And when you're done, your accounts will be integrated with your Microsoft, and then you can just get your Outlook account properly set up already. And this is what your Microsoft Outlook account would look like. Now, to show you how to set new out of office reply in Outlook, Microsoft Outlook rather, remember that Microsoft Outlook out of office reply, which is also known as OOO, is simply an automatic email message that is set and sent to people who email you when you're not available to respond. So those are the kind of messages you set to give out to persons whenever you're not available to respond. It's an automatic message, so you just set it up on your PC, and then whenever you get emails, it will just send that response. All right, it is used when one is currently at work or away from work, or when you will be available again. It tells when you'll be available again, or who to contact if the matter is quite urgent. So I'll quickly show you how to set that up on your PC. So the first thing you want to do is just head over to the gear option over here at your top right corner, which also serves as your setting. Click on that. Now head over to your settings, to this menu bar displayed by this side. Just click on mail. Having done that, just head over to the search bar over here and just type in automatic replies. You can see it's the first option here. Click on that and it will take you to this page. Now on this page, what you want to do is turn on automatic response. All right, turn on automatic replies. When you click on that toggle bar, it will automatically turn on. Then you can now set the start time and the end time you want these to go out to your clients. So after setting that, let's say I'll just pick my start time. All right, just set this quickly. Let's say I want it to start from 8 p.m. I would now pick the date I want it to start, and then the end time, I'll pick the date I want it to end, and then I'll click change the time for this, and then I can decide to block my calendar for this period, automatically decline new invitations for events that occur during this period. Either I want to decline and cancel meetings during this period, and when I'm done, I'll just head over to this bar over here and then set the message I want to appear as automatic response. So I'll just type in my message. So this is what my message looks like. Hello, thank you for your message. I am currently out of the office and will respond when I return on this particular date. So you just edit the date to suit what you have set up here, and when you're done, you either click on this toggle bar to send this to only your contacts, or you leave it and then click on save. That is how you can set new out of office reply in Outlook. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to set that on your PC. Until next time, thank you and bye for now.